welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Judy. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're always alerted when I post new videos. And today, before we talk about what we're doing today, a while back I did a giant Lego haul, and when I ordered that, I also ordered something from the Pick-a-Brick selection, which they have a wall in Lego stores, the Pick-a-Brick wall, but now it's mostly just for decoration since they had to shut it down due to COVID. Right before COVID struck, we went there and we got some things from the Pick-a-Brick wall. I did a video on it and I was planning on uploading it, but it's really bad. I don't think I'm gonna upload it, I'm not. But we decided to get some more, which we had to do online, and for some reason they were all out of stock. But they finally arrived. So, yeah, here it is. All of this is filled with Lego. And then, as you can see, we have lots of random Lego pieces. They're
chosen specifically.
Yes, they're specifically chosen. They look random because there's a ton of different pieces in there. But, one second. So, right before COVID, well, when it hit, but before they closed stores down, we went there and we just moved into this place, so I didn't really have a setup or anything. So I did the video on the ground. Should I upload it? Maybe I will. Tell me in the comments down below if you want me to upload it. But when you went there, they would give you a cup like this. This is the large size. They also had a smaller size. And then you would just fill it up with pieces. And because of the lid, it kind of has like a stud, like Legos. So you can stack. Yeah, I don't have any more, so I have to do that. But they used to do it by weight, but now they're doing it by, they're doing it like per piece by a few cents. So anyways, let's finally get these pieces. Most of them I have none of, or I have pieces like it. And from that purchase that we made right before COVID, we didn't have pieces that went with other pieces, so we got
We finally got them.
So I'm gonna sort out the pieces and then I'll come back to you guys. So here's the bag. It just has all the pieces in it. That's why I was talking about the cup earlier.
I just want to see. Okay. Yeah, okay.
So,
oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, so ignore that evil maniacal laugh. But we have like, I don't know. Oh my god.
How many?
We have 5 papers.
1.
Okay, so we have 5 papers. Literally. I mean, like, these are just a few of the pieces. I don't even know if someone actually took the time to count these one by one.
I feel bad for the person who had to do this job.
So do I.
Maybe it was fun for them.
Who knows? But anyways. Must be careful not to drop. Okay. Any sudden movements will destroy the pile. So there are multiple pieces here that go together, such as these ones as like little drawers and such. The same piece can go with this and make it into a cabinet. And then we also have these little window panels.
That you have a lot of before, but
Yeah.
without the frame.
With this little window frame. So here are all of the pieces after I sorted them out. As you can see, we have a lot of different pieces. So over here we have some staircases. We got 2 of them. We also have 2 crates. We have these 2 little old-fashioned pine trees. We have, I think, like 10 or so of these. And then we also have it in a slightly darker shade of green. And we have the jumbo leaves. Orange little leaves. We have this piece. I don't know what you could do with it. You could put it like on a wall or something and then put a TV looking piece on there, I guess. We have lots of hinges. Money, 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 money. Little $100 bill. We have these little gear thing, kind of like a dial or whatever. Some clocks. A teeny tiny little keyboard, and if you look close enough, you'll see actual numbers and letters. This little control panel. We also have some hazard tape because it's always good to have on hand, right? We have this, which you could use to open a vault or something. A tiny little steering wheel. This piece, which is similar to the black one from earlier, but it's half the size. The brick version of that piece. Spider web, which I have another one of these from another set, a Spider-Man set. So I'll leave a link down below to a video I did on that. We have some fun little tools, a pickaxe, a hammer, a shovel, another,
I think that's an axe.
yeah, an axe, and a wrench. Pots and pans. We also have some little white mugs because I'm pretty sure the iconic color is red, which is the only one I have, so white, yeah. This really weird piece that I'll probably use for a table because that's what it looks like. Whatever the heck this is supposed to be. We have this piece that you can use as a sign. Fire!
Orange fire.
Yes, bright orange fire. We have these pieces in black and white. So if you're trying to make like a 2-story build, you can easily remove the second one by putting these on top of the bricks from the first story. If that makes sense. I hope it does. This piece that you could use to make like a sliding door if you wanted. Plants.
Grass.
Or long grass, bush grass, I guess. Chairs! We have this beautiful golden piece, which I also got one like this from the same Spider-Man build. This quarter circle rounded piece, it's fun. Another quarter circle teal piece of the exact same color. Tower top pieces that you can find on some of the Harry Potter Lego sets. Ice cream / bath bubbles. Fun. Another little plant piece. One by one yellow piece that you could use as a raw white if you wanted. Another one by one, but it's in this beautiful royal blue color. Unicorn horns! We have this fence thing. Mailboxes, which I also got from the Spider-Man build. These pieces, which can be used as cabinets, very functional, or a set of drawers. Again, functional. You can put like 2 things in there, 2 1x2s in there.
Plants, flowers.
We have these fun little flowers that I did not want at first, but then my mother convinced me. Pink, orange, and red. We have a cute little white helmet with a clear visor.
That you have to buy separately?
Yes. A firefighter's hat, which you could technically use as literally anything.
What do you mean by anything?
Any kind of hat, I guess.
Oh.
We have this character that I just built with some legs, a torso piece, a black helmet, and a lady face because she's a firefighter.
So how many
It's
pieces
strong.
did you have to buy separately to make her?
4. My brain didn't want to work for a moment.
It's not 4, it's 5. Because the visor you have to buy
Oh
separately.
yeah, 5. This dude is worth 4 pieces. He has this cute little red cap. We got this bad guy with some handcuffs because handcuffs are a necessity. We also have 2 other faces, another lady and a dude with some cool shades. We literally got all the faces that we could find on the website. We have these because the first time we got the other piece that you need for this to make it spin, but we have 2 of those that don't have this part of it, so my explanation is horrible.
That's
It's
okay.
confusing. We also have window frames with 4 window panels, well 2 per frame, but we only have enough for 2 because the rest are for the rest of the ones I have. Again, from the previous Pick-a-Brick thing.
You didn't show them, they are not up here. No.
Black frame, shiny. We also have these 1x2 brick pieces in this gray color. We also have it in this. We also have it in this tan color and this orangey color, which we have 10 of these 3 colors, but we only have one of these beige looking white chocolate colored ones. I think we meant to put 10, but we forgot the 0. And then we also have this piece, which is similar to the 1x2s that I showed you, but longer. And the final kind of piece we have are these fun little ladders. And that's...
Before you wrap it up. Ah, he's gelled! Oh
He
my God.
is!
I want to put one climbing. They cannot climb, can they?
They can. They can hold on to the side of it.
Oh.
Aha!
Ah.
Kinda.
Oh my God, they
Sir.
cannot climb.
Hold on. Okay. There we go.
He's not climbing well.
Whatever. And to make him seem even higher than he actually is, he climbs.
He was just starting, and then he looks down, and he got so confused.
Voila! Yeah, so that's... Ooh, fun. So that's everything that I got from the Pick-a-Brick stuff this time. Tell me if you have any favorite Lego piece from these, or just all the 1 million bajillion thousands quadrillions of pieces that they have existing. The awkward silence when you have no idea where these are going to go, except for your lap in the floor. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're always alerted when I post new videos, and comment down below on anything else I should do on my channel, and if I should upload that kind of cringy video.